Answer to question 7. So we are given the question, which of the following is true, or which of the following are true. So let us start from A and ascertain whether A is correct or not. We are having 2x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 1. And we are given that the x is equal to minus half, or x is equal to minus 1. So let us solve this equation. The first thing we have to do is that we need to remove the bracket. So let us remove the bracket. 2x multiplied by x, this is going to give us 2x squared plus 2x plus x plus 1 equal to 1. So let us simplify this one. We are going to have 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equal to 1. So which means we need to move this one to the other side and equate it to 0 in order to make it in the standard form of a quadratic. So we have 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So we are going to have 2x squared plus 3x, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0 now. So now we can factorize this one. So x is common. We are going to have 2x plus 3 equal to 0. From here, we can have x equal to 0 or 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 3 over 2. So that is the value of x. But now, when we go back to our equation, we can see our x is equal to minus half, while our x also equal to minus 1. So we don't get the same answer with a given answer here. So which means the option A is incorrect. This is incorrect. So therefore, let us go for option B, which is the solutions set of the square root of x minus 1 all square plus 2x is equal to 0. That is, the solution is minus 1 and 1 over 3. So let us prove it whether we are going to write or not. So let us go for the B. So you have the square root of x minus 1 all square. Okay, let's correct it to make it neat. So this is the x minus 1 all square plus 2x equal to 0. So we want to know whether the statement is true or not. So let us evaluate this one. The first thing we have to do is that we need to square the both sides. So even at all, if you square the both sides, we're still going to get the same thing. But we know that this square here, we also go for this square here. So we are going to left with x minus 1 plus 2x equal to 0. So let us collect the like times. So x plus 2x is 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So x, okay, 3x is going to be 1. So therefore x is going to be 1 over 3. That's the value of x. And then when we go back to our equation, we have x to be equal to 1 over 3. So this means we can say that this statement is correct. So let us go for the C now. Our C is given as 6x squared minus 5x minus 5 equal to 0. So what are you trying to do? So let us check the question and see what we are trying to do. The equation of this has no real root. We want to know whether this equation is going to give us real root or not. So let us go back. So which means we can try to factorize this one. If we try to factorize this one, there is no way we can factorize this, because 6 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 30. So what are the two numbers that we multiply that will give us minus 30? When we add it together, it's going to give us minus 5. There is no way we can do it. Either we use 30 and 1, we use 6 and 5, 15 and 2, and so on. There is no way we can factorize this one. So which means, therefore, this one has no real root. So this one cannot give us the real root. So that is why we conclude that this statement is also correct. Let us go back to the question. So this statement is also correct. So now from here now we can conclude about our answer that B and C is the answer. Let's put only B and C, which is the answer. So let us go back to the option now, B and C. So good. So this is the answer for question 7.